I revisited a book that I can very much recommend to everyone, AAD, Algorithms Aided Design, written by Arturo Tedeschi. The book provides a lot of detailed methods of geometry creation, and today's example is based on the one from chapter 5.2, though I have made slight modifications to it. We are going to make element IDs using the text entity component and display them in 3D for ease of access. The text entity is a new component in Rhino 8, again found in the Rhino tab of Grasshopper. It has 4 pass-through parameters, a text entity, a plane to display the text on, the text that you want to display, and text settings which can be changed with annotation text settings component. Let's get to examples. The geometry we are using is not too important for the example, and the script is a bit lengthy, so we're not going to go through that in detail, but here are some highlights. As per usual, I'm getting curves from Rhino with a query model objects component, and I'm extruding a wall along with the curve. I am then dividing the surface to elements, then using an attractor point to define the alterations done to each element based on their distance from the attractor point. Then we have some offsetting and lofting and some Python scripts to get the final result. To put it shortly, this script has surfaces and I'm using their center points and normals to create planes to display the text on. You most likely have your own use case for the annotation style shown here. If you are interested in the skin geometry script, get the book. It's a great resource for a computational designer. This is the script that we're going to focus today. I have created planes in the midpoints of the surfaces, and I am then using the flip planes to rotate the text. I am getting the list length from the surfaces to know how many element numbers I need. I am then concatenating it with some identifier to know that these are elements. I have then used the annotation text settings to adjust the height of the text and created a rounded mask frame in yellow color for visibility. I'm then connecting all the inputs to the text entity, and I'm using a stream gate for fast toggling and a content cache to push the output to the model. You don't necessarily need to push the content, but if you are using the rendered mode in Rhino, your Grasshopper annotations will not be visible without pushing.